We got the Wildwood Heritage Glen LTZ. This is the 314 BUD. Dry weight of 8561. It's got the bed back here.
Fireplace.
Denver mattress. It's got an AC back here with your cable hookups. Queen size bed, Denver mattress.
Check out the shower stall.
Pretty big kitchen, bathroom. Man.
Another half bath here.
Got the TV entertainment center. Got a fireplace. This thing is $34,707. Wow. Another half bath here. And then it's got the bunk back here. Another bunk up there. That comes down. You can sleep there. Got the kitchen, or the dinette, and the couch. Man. $34,000 for this baby.